Harvey already wreaking havoc, and it's just getting started. Let's go ahead and check right in with Chief Meteorologist Scott Paget, who's got the latest.
And Doug and Gilma, the latest is that Harvey is slowly pushing inland, and we've been watching this through the day today into the evening hours. We came on a little bit earlier this evening when that inner eye wall was already pushing over San Jose Island, the center of circulation, then making its way over the same area right around 10 o'clock. Around 8:30, we were watching that push inland. You can see that outer eye wall now passing Rockport near Port Aransas. Winds sustained at about 130 miles per hour estimated there. Corpus Christi winds also about 50 to 60, 70 miles per hour, gusting up higher than that. We've been trying to look for some of the wind reports there, but some of the sensors, of course, have gone down. But we are continuing to watch this storm pushing its way off towards the north and the west. So on that north side, you can see near Bayside, also trade winds, seeing some of the heaviest wind right now, the heaviest rain. And as we widen out the view, the rainfall estimate over the last 24 hours shows that we saw as much as 6 to near 9 inches of rain in some spots, close to about 8 inches of rain just offshore. That's the rainfall estimate over the last 24 hours, but we're not done with the rain yet. The buoy wind gusts, 68 to near 70 mile per hour wind gusts just being reported recently. Same story as you can see right on that northeast side, and then a little further off towards the north and east, about a 40 mile per hour wind gust. So we're seeing these winds gusting up even higher. Here are our tropical wind gust forecasts as we go through the remainder of the night tonight, possibly up near hurricane strength near Victoria, near Port Lavaca, and then continuing to pull off towards the north. Those winds will remain. So the future sky forecast shows that we will track as we go through the remainder of the night tonight. We will track a Hurricane Harvey as it will continue to push its way inland and slow down. Still into the early morning hours, it is going to be a strong hurricane that we're dealing with, possibly Category 4 hurricane, maybe a Category 3 by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So right now, latest information from the National Hurricane Center. That center is moving to the northwest at 7 miles per hour. We're going to be seeing it possibly as a Category 2 by 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning. By Saturday evening, still a Category 1 hurricane. Here's San Antonio, not very far away from San Antonio, and then turning back down to the south as a tropical storm by Sunday night at 7 o'clock. 50 mile per hour winds further down to the south. Monday, 45 mile per hour winds, and then that track pulls it back closer towards Houston by Wednesday evening. So the rain is the big story as well, possibly near 25 to 30 inches of rain. This just now coming in maybe 35 inches of rain in Victoria to near maybe a foot in Houston. And then the other story, again, the storm surge. This is what we're talking about with storm surge warnings. Storm surge, possibly 6 to 12 feet. And Annalise, that is dangerous for us. We have more on storm surge.
Yes, storm surge, as you said, up to 12 feet. Of course, a huge problem. You're talking downed power lines, snapped trees, uprooted trees. Majority of both of those will be a big issue. As we're tracking Harvey, as we move on into the weekend and into this week, what is the local impact for us? This is something we'll need to keep watching. It does continue to look like that northern extent of Harvey does at least reach our southernmost counties. So as you can see from Hillsborough, Corsicana getting in on some of that heavier rain. About an inch perhaps. As you push further to the south, Palestine could get up to 3 inches, so some heavy downpours. That's taking us Saturday into Sunday. Our weekend rain totals, of course, much lower as you get into the Metroplex. But we will be talking about a little bit of heavy rain, of course, further to the south. Winds are going to be gusty tomorrow, heads up to 35 mile per hour winds the further south you go, from Waco stretching over to Palestine. Periods of heavy rain across the area, mainly to our south. It's going to be very isolated. Now, let's take a look at this animation to give you a little perspective. This monitor is 12 feet, okay? So this house shows you really that progression of a 12-foot storm surge as it gets to the rooftop. That's 9 feet of water, predicting along the coast in those places like Rockport of up to a 12-foot storm surge. That reaches the top of a one-story home rather. So this is what we're talking about. Of course, major destruction predicted, no doubt, with this kind of a storm. Scott?
That's right, Annalise. Very good explanation there of the storm surge that slowly comes up as we go through the next couple of days. But those driving winds on that right quadrant, that northeast side, that's going to be the dangerous area. But look at these violent winds, this red area right there. That's the violent winds that are going to be surrounding Hurricane Harvey. And then still the yellow area, those are tropical storm force winds through at least Tuesday. Same area, tropical storm force winds or hurricane force winds holding together. So that's what we've been watching. But of course, we talked about those local impacts. If you're trying to plan your weekend here, rain chances not very high, sitting at 20 to 30%, with our temperatures sitting in the mid 80s. On Monday, rain chances at 30%. If Harvey actually starts to track a little further towards the northwest, we might have to up our rain chances. We'll have more on that forecast possibly coming up. You're watching CBS 11, the ones for Texas weather.